Today's topic is division of decimal numbers. Question number 1. A. 6.39 divided by 3. 3 here 6.39 and now 3 to just 6 decimal number and then 3 3 1 ja 3 9 3 3 ja 9. So answer is 2.13. Now next 2.02 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 decimal 0 0 0 2 ja 0 2 2 1 ja 2. So remainder is 0 and answer is 1.01 answer. Now next C. 7.85 divided by 5. 5 7.85 5 1 ja 5 2 point now 8 5 5 ja 25 3 and 5 5 7 ja 35 remainder 0, so answer is 1.57. Now next question number 2. 23.43 divided by 10. 23.43 point for decimal number we can write 1 and after decimal number 43 we can write 0 0 into 1 by 10. So 2343 by 1000 is equal to 2.343. We count 3 digits from right side. Now 6489.231 divided by 1000. Again step 1. 6489 decimal 231. For decimal we write 1 and after decimal 3 digits, so we can write 30 divided by 1000. Step 2. 6489,231 by 1000 into 1000. So we count digits from right side. We get 6.489231. Now next 6.3 divided by 30. 2 step we can divide this in 2 steps. Step 1. 6.3 divided by 3, that is 3 2 ja 6 decimal, so 3 1 ja 3, answer 2.1. Now again step 2 we divided 2.1 by 10, that means 2.1 by 10, 0.21 answer. Now next 7.24 divided by 20. Step 1 again in 2 steps. Step 1 divided by 2, 7.24 3.24 divided by 2. 3 2 just 6. After subtraction we get 1, and then 2, 6 2 just 12, and after we get 4, 2 2 just 4, so 3.62. Now 3.62 divided by 10, then we get 362 by 4.1, and after decimal digits for digits 00 into 10 is equal to 362 by 100 into 10, that is 1000. So 0.362 answer. We count digits from right side. Now next. 8342 divided by 10 is equal to 834.2. Now 834.2 divided by 10 is equal to 83.42. 83.42 divided by 10 is equal to 8.342.